So, hello everyone. A lot of people have been asking me about more talking book editions for the Dino lernt Deutsch series. And, well, here we are. There's a brand new talking book now for Karneval in Köln, episode 3. And as usual, it comes both in a cloud reader edition and as a standalone EPUB file. In general, I would recommend to just use the cloud reader, which just runs in your browser. But if you like, you can also download the EPUB file and open it in an application that supports EPUB 3 with audio. Keep in mind that not many applications support this. You can find a list on the books page, which apps we've tested so far. But anyway, the easiest way, just click on the cloud reader and you can start right away. So for those of you unfamiliar with this, here's how it works. Basically, this is an ebook version of the book. And as you go through it, you can listen to the text while reading it. So you have a few options. You could either click play up here.
Neue Stadt, neues Glück.
Right. So as you see, it highlighted the phrase while you're hearing the narration. You also have another option. You can enable touch to play. Then you get a little green tick here. And that means that you can now select phrases that you want to hear.
Ich wohne in einer Villa mit 10 Zimmern.
You can also jump around.
Hat sehr viele Haare.
Right, that's it in a nutshell. This cloud reader has a number of different features. You have a table of contents here. You can change the narration speed or have all kinds of advanced controls here. You can play around with it. But in a nutshell, you're just going to need up here the media controls and maybe the touch to play feature. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it and have fun und viel Spaß beim Lernen.